Hello again. I wanted to go over a website that I like. It's remind.com, and it's really useful for teachers and coaches. Kind of allows you to do different things and to get information out. So, as you can see on this particular website here, like I have Woods 101 on there, and it says, "Hey, what you want to send a message?" You can add people in. So, like, let's say, like I put this in here as myself, just because I've switched schools and I kind of lost a little bit of that. So let's go in and let's create a class real quick. Real quick. So let's say it is plant and soil science. So what I could do, there's your class code right there that I'm trying to circle. And I have down my high school. It says I can get 13 in there. I'd have to buy premium to do a little bit more. Luckily for me, I don't have to worry about that. So I'd create that class. And at that point, you can either send a message or you can like search people. You can do all of those types of things. But it's really handy for, like, I can add members here to connect to a child to do different things. So if I have a parent, I can add them in. I can send this message to a parent. You can do a bunch of different things, but it allows you to get in touch of students in different classes, things of that nature, just by um, going in, invite or join people here. I can add students' name in. So you've got Joe Smith, and he is, I'll put in, a phone number for that. And then you would add in, you could add them in that way, and then you could add people. So what it would do then is it'll send an invitation to you on your cell phone. And so what happened there, let me just show you, was, hey, it says you have been invited. Let me get that thing there. Yeah. You have been invited by Jay Wooler to join Plant and Soil Science. So all they do at that point is they type in yes, yes, sure would love to do that. Thank you very much. And you type that in. It says you have joined Plant and Soil Science. Great job. Congratulations. Not the greatest job on my part showing you that. So then at that point, you've got them in, and you can kind of go through there. So you got parents, teachers, you got all that stuff. So I can then remind them and send them a message that would say, hey, bring in a tape measure tomorrow, bring in this supply, that supply. Hey, you've got a test, don't forget, if you really wanted to do that. I think it's great for coaches as well. We use it, for our football team. We just had them wrote it on the whiteboard one day. Hey, everybody punch in, text this number to this particular, you text these words to this number and it'll join you in. And now all of a sudden we have the entire team on one, and we can get any reminders out. You can add parents, connect them with the kids. You can do all of that pretty easily. So I think that gives you a pretty good idea of what you're doing. Thank you very much.